Shanghai Dingjiang Packaging Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd. is a professional supplier of granule and powder packaging machines, offering design, sales, and after-sales support. Our associated factory spans an impressive 1300 square meters, and we are proud to have a team of 14 dedicated after-sales service engineers located in Kunshan, Jiangsu, just 1 hour away from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. With over 16 years experience in packing machinery industry, our commitment remains unwavering, delivering superior quality products and exceptional customer service. Since our establishment in 2008, we have become a prominent high-tech enterprise in Shanghai. We are proud to have obtained the CE certificate and consistently participate in 6 to 8 international exhibitions annually, including PROPACK Asia in Thailand and Vietnam, GULFFOOD in Dubai, INTERPACK in Germany. Our products have successfully penetrated over 40 countries worldwide. We offer comprehensive OEM and ODM manufacturing services, upholding our philosophy of no quality, no future. We prioritize delivering exceptional quality along with competitive pricing and after-sales service. Our product range encompasses various packaging machines such as auger fillers, powder filling machines, granule packing machines, inclined horizontal screw conveyors, mixers, as well as grain powder feeding machines. If any products align with your requirements, or if you need further information or samples at favorable prices,